it's wrecked. So it just so happens that the day that I was filming my 8-year review, shortly after, somebody just drove right into it. Hello everybody, I'm Adrian, and here I got the Maserati GRanturismo. So I got it back after the whole ordeal with it being on the wreck, the accident. So yeah, the wheels were pointed the other way, so steering rack was replaced, fender I got blended over, the liner that got ripped. So altogether was $9,400 and some change. So I am gonna wash it, remove the whole wrap. I am gonna leave that in there. I think that looks cool, the red, to match the calipers. So I got insurance to pay some partial for the wrap, so it's coming back off, because for one, it wouldn't match the new material and the age as well. All this had to be uncovered because the fender got replaced. It got a little bit of blending over the hood to make it all match. Same thing with the front bumper, and then a little bit into the door had to be blended over. This is a really small panel to where they didn't have to do any blending into the pillar. So yeah, 9,400 and some change. So the steering rack, that one had to be a used one, because they told me the cost of that one, it was like $7,000, and that would have put it into the threshold where they would have probably totaled the car. So I was okay with a used one, something on eBay. I think it ended up being like $600 for the part, something like that. The fender was just under $5,000. So all this stuff came from the dealership: the badging, the lights, the trim, liner, miscellaneous screws. So, but yeah, it's been great so far. No issues. It turned out really good. But yeah, that was a whole process of dealing with the insurance. And then because it was State Farm, they wanted me to use one of their shops. So it took a lot of calling, probably about 20 different shops, until I found one that would touch it, and it turned out great. So I'm gonna remove the whole wrap except for the red part there, and then give it a wash. So something else I got addressed: the wheel got repaired. So they go in there and shave it down, put a filler, and then paint it. So that's one thing that they did, because the wheels were pointed the other way, and then the other vehicle's bumper kind of hit the wheels. So this is the old one, and the hard impact, because of the way the wheels were turned at the time of the incident, it bent like one of the, or maybe both of the tie rods, and then the impact also made it to where it was leaking afterwards. So it was dripping in the driveway. Yeah, it's crazy that simple component from the dealership was like $7,000 or $8,000, something like that. I called 2 different dealerships, and one was like 7, one was like 8. That's after tax and all. So yeah, that is crazy that one component is just so expensive just because it's a Maserati. So we're able to get a used one where the shop was for like $600, something like that, and it's been great. And then the used one, I was told it was also like a lower mileage than what I got, so I think I should be good on that. But yeah, that would have been if they would have tried to push for OE. I was told that insurance would have tried to just totaled the car. So I've had this car since 2017, and it's been an awesome car. Haven't had any issues with it, so I intend to keep driving it. So this is how it looks without the wrap. Went ahead and left the red stripe there by the diffuser. I thought it kind of matched with the red calipers, and then left a little piece of red right there, and then left the red on the diffuser fins. So yeah, I went ahead and just removed the wrap. And a lot of people actually have told me that they like the original color better than the red that I had with the wrap. But that wrap was something I had that I was gonna use on a different vehicle, and it was just sitting there. So that's why I went ahead and used it on this car. So originally I didn't pick the color for this car, it was for something else.